You often hear that the easiest way to make money online is with affiliate marketing. No product creation, no customer service, no shipping, no returns, and no BS. But statistically, 95% of people who get into affiliate marketing fail. How is this possible with so much money being spent online, especially if the method is supposed to be so easy? One word: competition. Whilst most affiliate marketers struggle to make a few bucks here and there, top earning super affiliates control the commissions and easily bank 6 or even 7 figures each year. How do they do it? They're not smarter or harder working than anyone else. In fact, many top affiliates dropped out of high school or college and consider 2 hours a full-time workday. All they do to make the big bucks online is deliver what buyers want. They find great value products to offer, then add incredible bonuses to encourage prospects to buy, and package these up into slick bonus pages that people can't say no to. For most new and struggling marketers, getting all this done isn't easy. You'll need the skills to pick the best offers to promote, you'll need an ongoing budget for premium bonuses to give away to buyers, and some slick software or an outsourcer to create specific bonus pages for every product you promote. Then you'll need to write some amazing emails that stand out in the inbox so they get opened and clicked, and be able to drive traffic to your offers. It all adds up to a lot of time, money and effort, so much for an easy online income solution, right? Picture this instead: a tried and tested blueprint that lets you duplicate the results of top earning affiliates in any niche for lifestyle changing income, even if you've never made a penny online before. Hey, this is Glyn here, and I'm a 7-figure super affiliate, and I'd like to welcome you to Commission Funnels, your proven method and software to copy and paste your way to 4 figures in daily commissions. We've studied the top producing campaigns from the top earning affiliates in multiple niches going back over 5 years and have found a consistent profit pattern. So we developed a powerful software that unleashes next level commissions for anyone just by copying what myself and the world's best affiliates are doing. The powerful software instantly creates winning bonus pages and full-blown funnels that turn prospects into buyers. To fully automate the system, we've added more than 15 done-for-you campaigns to profit from just by adding your affiliate link. Each includes a full series of top converting emails, copy, paste, send, and watch the commissions roll in. These done-for-you affiliate campaigns, each based on evergreen top converting offers, are the ultimate profit solution for anyone with a busy schedule. Plug them in for a steady flow of commissions with practically zero effort. The software is simple to use with the done-for-you campaigns for lightning fast results, and it's so versatile you can use it to create custom campaigns for anything you want to promote. Include any affiliate offers on any platform. That's right, just select an offer from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or any other affiliate network, and within minutes you'll have a proven to convert bonus funnel up and running that will make you money on demand. The best part is we'll even host all of your bonus pages and funnels for you on our premium servers, saving you hundreds per year in hosting fees. You'll also get a huge collection of over 100 premium bonuses to increase commissions to any offer. Use these as often as you want to drive higher profits. Choose from softwares, video trainings and ebooks covering a wide range of topics, and include as many as you want with each promo. You'll get industry-leading training from top affiliates to make you as much money as possible in the shortest possible time. Commission Funnels is built to grow with you, and if you're new, bank fast with the done-for-you campaigns where you get everything you need to profit, including the exact offers to promote. Once you're making money, promote anything you want by using the software and bonus vault to quickly create custom bonus pages to boost your profits. You'll quickly be able to scale up to full-time income with this system. To make sure you get the best results, we're including a powerful bonus traffic module, so even if you're brand new, you'll be able to easily send converting traffic to any offer. Check out the full details further down this page, see the demo of the software in action, see how easy it is, and take a close look at the proof of results from beta testers and our own campaigns. Commission Funnels works faster and easier than anything else to put commissions in your pocket by simply automating the same steps top earning affiliates use to make the big money. We're so confident Commission Funnels will work for you that when you grab it now, you'll have 30 days to try it out risk-free. Use the training, software, done-for-you campaigns and everything else inside, and if for any reason you're not thrilled, your money back. During this exclusive launch, your access also includes multiple bonuses designed to get you even better results. A private Facebook group to network with other marketers and get answers to your questions, a live master training session with one of the top earning affiliates in the internet marketing space, showing you how to make the highest commissions in the shortest time, attend live for the latest profit tips that are working right now, and we'll post a recording in your members area so for any time you can refer back to it. You'll also get a bonus quick start checklist so you can be up and running within the next 24 hours, plus the powerful traffic bonus so you can start making commissions right away. The total value of this proven software and commission system runs into thousands of dollars. But today you can get it all for a fraction of its true cost. This low one-time price will not last, so don't miss your chance to lock in your discount now. See all the details below, hit the button for instant access, and get ready to start making the easiest commissions of your life. Click the button down below to get access to commission funnels right now. This is a one-off opportunity that I strongly advise you don't skip. Act now and secure your copy of commission funnels before this is sold out. Click the buy button right now and we'll see you on the inside.